originally having participated in Olympics as the delegation of the Republic of China. China competed at the Olympic Games under the name of the People's Republic of China to compete. Although the latter withdrew in protest due to the dispute over the political status of China. The PRC did not participate in the Olympics again until the 1980 Winter Olympics in Lake Placid, United States. Their first appearance at the Summer Olympic Games after 1952 was the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles, United States. The Chinese Olympic Committee in its current form was recognized in 1979. Before the Chinese Civil War, athletes competed as the Republic of China, but only representing athletes from the island of Taiwan. The dispute over use of the name China resulted in the PRC boycotting the Games completely during these years. In 1979, the International Olympic Committee passed a resolution for the ROC team to be designated Chinese Taipei, and this opened the door for the PRC to finally join the Olympic movement. Hong Kong has had a distinct National Olympic Committee since 1950 and has competed at the Games since 1952. After the territory was returned to the PRC and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region was created in 1997, this arrangement has continued, with Hong Kong competing independently from the rest of the nation under the name Hong Kong. China. The People's Republic of China has hosted the Games on one occasion, with a second Games scheduled for 2022. Beijing will be the first city to host both Summer and Winter Olympics. Chinese athletes have won medals in most of the current Summer Olympics sports. The exceptions are triathlon, equestrian, rugby and water polo. Chinese athletes have won medals in 6 out of 15 current Winter Olympics sports. Most of the golds and half of the medals come from the sport of short track speed skating. A former Chinese doctor named Zhu Yingxian has claimed the occurrence of alleged systematic doping of Chinese athletes in the Olympic Games must be revoked. This is contrary to previous statements by the Chinese government that had denied involvement in systematic doping and claimed that athletes doped individually. The International Olympic Committee and World Anti-Doping Agency investigated these allegations. After the establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949, PRC sent a delegation to the Olympic Games for the first time at the 1952 Summer Olympics in Helsinki, Finland. The Chinese delegation consisted of 38 men and 2 women, including the men's football team, the men's basketball team, and 1 swimmer. Only the swimmer arrived in time to take part in the official competition, and the football team played 2 friendly matches. The Chinese stayed 10 days in Helsinki and participated in the closing ceremony. The Republic of China's team withdrew from the Games on July 17 in response to the IOC's decision to allow both PRC and ROC sportsmen and women to compete. This marked the beginning of the two Chinas conflict in the Olympic movement, which resulted in the Chinese Olympic Committee's withdrawal from the IOC in August 1958. In the 1970s, China normalized her relations with the United States through ping-pong diplomacy and established diplomatic relations with the United States on January 1, 1979. The normalization finally led to the Chinese Olympic Committee's return to the IOC on October 25, 1979. Till 2012, China won 3/4 of their gold medals and 2/3 of their medals in 6 sports: table tennis, badminton, diving, gymnastics, weightlifting, and shooting. China recently dominated the gold medals in 3 of them: table tennis, badminton and diving. China won all golds 4 times in table tennis and 1 time in badminton, and won 3/4 of all diving golds since 1992. The total dominance in table tennis and badminton also leads to negative consequences. Due to the low participations among non-Asian countries, these 2 sports may lose their positions in the Summer Olympics just like baseball and softball did after 2008. While through the years, Chinese athletes got many breakthroughs in other sports that are traditionally China's weak sports. Among them, swimming is the potential one that may get into top 5 sports of China in the near future. China won 15 golds and ranked 4th at the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles. Zhu Haifeng won the first ever gold medal for China in the shooting event of 50 meters pistol. It was called a Breakthrough Zero, an event that brought great joy to the whole Chinese nation. Li Ning won 6 medals in gymnastics, 3 golds, 2 silvers, and 1 bronze, earning him the nickname Prince of Gymnasts in China. 6 medals in a single Olympics is still the record for any Chinese athlete. Chinese women's volleyball team defeated USA women's team in the final and won China's first ball game gold medal. China won 5 golds and ranked 11th at the 1988 Summer Olympics at Seoul, South Korea. Lee Mai-Zhu won China's F.